Hello guys, my name is Bisscute and welcome back to my channel, or if you're here for the very first time, hi, welcome in. Super grateful to have you here. Very excited for the video that I'm gonna be reacting to today. I am talking about maybe one of my favorite, at least top 3 anime songs, and if you watched some of my previous reactions, you already know that I'm talking about Bluebird Naruto Shippuden from the band Ikimonogakari, and this is gonna be very special because this performance is on the first take. I love their channel. I think they're doing an amazing job with it. I feel like this channel focuses a lot on bringing in artists, giving them what they only need, a mic or maybe a keyboard or some instrumentals here and there, and the space that the artist can just unleash. So that's why I'm very excited for this. I'm not guaranteeing I'm not gonna cry because I don't know, this song always manages to touch me in some way. So I hope you guys get to enjoy this. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm gonna go here in my little corner and yeah guys, let's go enjoy this. All right. If you know the song, sing with me. I cannot believe that they actually... I cannot believe that they brought this song.
いろんな国の人が聴いてくれてる曲だからね。
Yep. だね。だね。
ハローハロ
呼びかけてる。ハローハローハローで行ってみましょうか。
ー。行きましょう。
よし、それじゃ行ってみましょう。
Oh my god.
羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは青い青いあの空
Oh, I love the song. Wow.
悲しみはまだ覚えられず切なさは今掴み始めたあなたへと抱くこの感情も今言葉に変わってく未知なる世界の夢から目覚めてこの羽を広げ飛び立つ羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは白い白いあの雲突き抜けたら見つかると知って振り切るほど青い青いあの空青い青いあの空青い青いあの空愛想つきたいような音で錆びれた古い窓は壊れた見え切ったカゴはほら捨ててゆく振り返ることはもうない高鳴る鼓動に呼吸を預けてこの窓を飛び立つ
She sounds amazing.
手にできると言っていざなうのは遠い遠いあの声眩しすぎたあなたの手も握って求めるほど青い青いあの空
Oh my god. I know where to pause, right? So that's the part that is coming up is my favorite, but I just wanted to go up and, like I said, tears might fall. They fall because I feel like they didn't realize when they made this song what the impact is gonna have on a generation. I grew up with Naruto and I'm almost freaking 30. I don't know, I just love this song so much. It's so beautiful. After so many years, it sounds amazing. They just got it. It sounds, guys, like perfect. It sounds perfect. I love it so much. It brings back so many good memories, not only about the anime itself. You know, this song, for me at least, marks like a period of my life, and it just gets me emotional. And I feel like a lot of people, like in my case, feel the same. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love reacting sometimes to the stuff I know, because I feel like this is how my eye is leaking. Okay, I feel like this is how you guys watch my other reactions to the songs you recognize, right? So I feel like you watching a reaction to a song that I've never ever heard before gives you something similar to what I'm feeling right now. You know, brings you back the memories, brings you back that time, that feeling, that, I don't know, you know, something that remained there, and a song can just reignite it in a way. I feel like it's so beautiful. Music is really amazing. Music is really what ties us to our souls, to our perception, to our memories, to our everything. I'm so freaking grateful that I started this channel. All right, let's go into my favorite part. But before that, this Fender is absolutely stunning. I'm so happy I stopped here, and that guitar solo was just on point.
求めるほど青い青いあの空
And the bass. All right, guys, get ready.
落ちていくと分かっていたそれでも光を追い続けてくよ羽ばたいたら戻れないと言って探したのは白い白いあの雲突き抜けたら見つかると知って振り切るほど青い青いあの空青い青いあの空青い青いあの空
Beautiful. Perfect. Perfect. Just perfect. Freaking perfect. Good job. I loved it. I'm getting emotional again. Oh God. Right. Well, please tell me I'm not the only one, right? Please tell me you guys feel it too, because otherwise I might be going insane, and probably it's not even that far off. Such a beautiful song. Such a beautiful song. Thank you guys for being here and watching along. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and you subscribing, and, you know, keep commenting and encouraging me. It does help me to kind of sustain the channel, to kind of continue growing and continue doing what we love, and continue exploring and finding new songs. At least for me, we're gonna have our 2-year celebration 1st of January. Very grateful for that. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for the new subscribers. Of course, most of you dropped by Twitch as well and got to know me a little bit better of the videos, and into like a more of a live scenario. Like, for example, right now I'm having like a crazy background because I'm having a Christmas thing happening over at Twitch. Thank you again, Patreons, for the super support as well. If you want to see more content, I have a second YouTube channel. It's called Bisscute. I do react to anime there too, if you're interested into it. Thank you everybody one more time, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.